Ramirez will back up the pitcher too when he throws it.
Line drive down the right field line. Garcia over's not going to get it. 1 run scores. 2 runs score. Here comes Coco heading for the plate. He will score. And on to third is Reddick. He's cleared it with a triple.